I was asked the other day about potato bread, or if you come up from around Slave years ago, you might have called it Fadge, which is what I called it when I was wee, but however, now everybody calls it potato bread. And I imagine Fadge is of a word of Scottish descent somewhere along the line, from the plantation of Ulster. Could be wrong. Anyway, I think potato bread probably started around the time of the famine, whenever you had to think of many, many ways of using the potato. So all it is leftover potato, mashed up well with some butter in it and salt and pepper. And that's it. Then you make it into a wee potato cake and you cook it on a floured pan or griddle. All I've done here is put the potato onto a floured board, and I've shaped it into a ring, and a bit like the soda farls, I'm going to cut it in quarters. So, like that, and like that, and put them on the pan, like the soda farl, and cook them out. So that's them on the pan, and I'll just let them cook away there until they turn brown on the bottom, and then turn them over. So they're a lot solider than the soda farl. You could probably grill this or bake it in the oven. And here in Northern Ireland, we use it as part of what's called an Ulster fry. So an Ulster fry wouldn't be an Ulster fry without fried potato bread. But you could also add things to this. You could add a bit of grated cheese to it. You could add onion to it, or chives. You could add an egg to it and make a whole meal out of it. So there's a lot you can do with this basic. But there's no recipe as such, just some cold potatoes, mashed, melt some butter into it, some salt and pepper, and that's it ready. So here we are, I've turned them over and they're coming on nicely. And I'll give them a couple of minutes on the other side, and that's it ready. So that's the 4 potato farls, or potato cakes, or whatever you like to call them, all ready. And now you need to leave them to cool. Now, whenever you need to watch when you're lifting them off, because the potatoes is very soft. So as they cool, they will get more solid.